Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Kiran Singh and I am working in BBD University as assistant professor. Now coming to the topic, my topic is Introduction to the Business Environment. The business environment encompasses all the external factors that influence a company's operations, decisions, and performance. Understanding this environment is crucial for businesses to navigate challenges, identify opportunities, and achieve success. So, from this, we can sum that business environment is the sum total of all external and internal factors that influence a business. So, you should keep in mind that external factors and internal factors can influence each other and work together to affect a business. Now, as we all know that business environment is divided into two types. One is your external factor and the one is your external factor and other is your internal factor. Now, external factor is further divided into micro environment factor and micro environment factor. So now coming to the macro environment factors, it includes political, economic, socio-economic and socio-cultural factors. There are many other factors also, but now we are going to study about the political factors. Political factors, it includes governmental activities and political conditions that may affect your business. For example, it includes your laws, regulations, tariffs, and other trade barriers, war, and social unrest. It also includes your government policies, stability, and regulations that can impact a business. Now, coming to economic factors, factors such as GDP, inflation, interest rates, and unemployment that affect a business's financial health. Now, the next point is your socio-cultural, which includes demographic changes, cultural trends, and social values that influence consumer behavior. Now, the second is your micro environment factors. It includes customers, competitors, suppliers, and intermediaries. The customers, keeping in mind the customers, first of all, we focus on the needs, the preferences, and purchasing power of a business's target market. Then the second is your competitors, the strategies, products, and services offered by rival businesses in the same industry. Now, the third is your suppliers, the reliability, equality, and pricing of the materials and services a business relies on. Fourth point is your intermediary. This includes the mediation between the customers and the distribution department. So, the distribution channels and marketing partners that help a business reach its customer. Now, the political and leader factors, it includes your legislation, government stability, intellectual power. The legislation, it includes laws and regulations that govern a business's operations, such as taxation, labor, and environmental policies. Government stability, this shows that this shows the level of political stability and the predictability of government actions which can impact business decisions. The third is your intellectual property. This shows the protection of a business's patents, copyrights, and trademarks, which are crucial for innovation and growth. Now, the economic factors, it includes inflations, interest rates, exchange rates, and your recession. The inflation, it includes rises in the general price level, which can erode a business's purchasing power and profitability. Interest rates, the cost of borrowing money, which can affect a business's investment and financing decisions. Exchange rates, It includes fluctuations in currency values, which can impact the pricing and competitiveness of a business's products and services. The recession. Recession is a period of economic downturn which can reduce consumer spending and lead to decreased sales and profits. Now, the socio-cultural factors. It is basically based on three major factors. They are demographics, lifestyle trends, and the cultural norms. The demographics, it includes the changes in the population's age, gender, income, and other characteristics that can influence consumer preferences and behavior. Lifestyle trends, it involves consumer attitude, values, and preferences that shape the demand of products and services. Now, the cultural norms, it is basically based on the beliefs, traditions, and social customs that can affect a business's marketing strategy and product offerings. Now the technological factors, which is, as we all know, that in today's world everything is based on the technology. So the technological part cannot be eraded, or it cannot be neglected in the present scenario. So technology plays a very important role in business environment. So in this we include innovation, the development of new technologies, products, and processes that can disrupt existing industries and create new market opportunities. The second point is your automation, the use of machines and software to automate various business process, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. The third is your digital transformation, the integration of digital technologies into all areas of a business, which can enhance customer experience and streamline operations. Till now we have very well understood that what is business environment and the components of business environment, in which business environment is divided. Uh, Now coming to the conclusion, in conclusion, we are going to study about the importance of understanding the business environment. By closely monitoring and analyzing the factors that make up the business environment, companies can make well-informed decisions, anticipate and adapt to changes, and gain a competitive advantage in the market. So, in the last, I would like to conclude with the statement that business environment plays a very important role in the present scenario. Thank you.